2019 Toyota Corolla battery replacement. So after you got your hood up, we're going to come under here. We're going to take this battery hold down off first. It's a 10mm bolt right here, and this 10mm nut, you could just get them loose. This one, all you got to do is kind of get a little loose here, and then we'll go ahead and take this little one out. Try not to drop it. It's very small. It's 10mm, and then you could just kind of oh, well, if yours has the little white box on the bottom, you can't wiggle and take this out. So what you're going to do is just take the nut off right here. Not a big deal. And then just keep the nut, and then you could just put these to the side, and then we'll remove the hold down and just set this aside for now. Now that little stud pole thing, you could just leave it be. We're going to get our negative terminal clamp off first. It's a 10mm. I use my open end, or if you have like a little gear wrench or any kind of wrench or socket, it's a 10mm. You don't got to get the nut all the way off, just get it loose, and this should start to wiggle free. I kind of tuck it under this fuse box on the plastic part so it doesn't arc to any kind of metal, including the frame. Now we're going to take the positive clamp off. It's also a 10mm. Go ahead and just loosen this up. Again, you don't need to take the nut all the way off, but if it's real stubborn, you might need to loosen it more, or possibly, you know, do something to get the terminal clamp come off. Over the years, they get kind of stubborn. They could be kind of hard to get off. But so we got that out. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up and out off camera. So I took it out, set it on the ground. Here's my new one. This is now this is a group. Let's see, let me get a closer look here. Right there's the group. Looks like a 20 or a 35, group 35. Sorry about that. Physical dimensions of the battery are the same. They're both group 35 batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up and put it in the car. Okay, I did that. Now once this is in, this one has little things right here, little caps that protect the terminals. Go and take that off and put your terminal clamp on for the positive side. Tighten it down. Positive side always first. So we'll go and get this tight. You don't need to get this mega tight. You could break it if you try to do it, or you could damage the battery. Then we'll put our negative side on, and then do the same thing. Tighten it down. If you have an aftermarket alarm, it might set your alarm off. So just have your key in your pocket ready to go. After we get our clamps back on, we'll go and put our hold down back on. This just goes how it was, like this. And then you can put your nut on to hand thread it right there, and then put our bolt in, hand thread it, and then you can just tighten them both down. You don't need to squeeze your battery with your hold down. Just get it snug so your battery doesn't move. And that's it, guys. That's how you do your battery on this Corolla 2019. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.